solve 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 17 multiplied by 3 to the power of x minus 6 equals 0. Give me your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, this is worked out using substitution. Okay, so you substitute something in to something awkward. So this is 3 to the power of x seems to be quite awkward, so I'm going to call it y, and I'm going to find out what this is in terms of y as well. Okay, so I'm going to use the rules of indices to realize that I can break this up by multiplying them, because if you multiply indices you add the powers, and that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so I'm doing it in reverse. I can also break this up, 3 to the power of x bracket 2 times 3 to the power of 1. Okay, so when you use brackets you multiply, which is this. So this becomes y squared times 3. So I can replace this with 3y squared minus 17y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so I'm going to use guide number on that. So that's minus 18y squared. Factors of 18 to make minus 17 is 18y and 1y minus 18 plus 1y. So it's 3y squared minus 18y plus 1y minus 6 equals 0. We split it in half. We get 3y taken out. You're left with y minus 6. Nothing common here. We'll just take out the 1. You're left with y minus 6. So you're left with 3y plus 1. Y minus 6 equals 0. So we have two factors, they're called factors. So we're going to find the roots. So 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. 3y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1 over 3. Y minus 6 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 6. So we have two values for y. But that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the value for x. So I know that y is equal to 3 to the power of x. So that would imply that minus 1 over 3 equals 3 to the power of x. Now, can that work? Can you get to the power of something to make minus 2? No, can't. So this is not a valid answer. So we look at the other one. It says 6 is equal to 3 to the power of x. So how are we going to work this out? Well, the only way you can work this out is either through guessing. You keep guessing numbers until you get 6, or you use logs. Okay, so I'm going to multiply both sides by log. And by multiplying both sides by log, this x comes to the front. So you get x log 3 equals log 6. So to get x on its own, I divide both sides by log 3. So x is equal to, using the calculator, you get an answer of 1.63. So that's the answer for x for this particular question.